Okay, let me just start. I've been doing this for a few years now, testing crypto platforms, poking around in DeFi, figuring out what's actually worth your time. And I don't mean casually, I mean real use. And the thing that's been taking up most of my time lately is this concept: how to get a loan against my tokens instead of selling it. Like, I have BTC, I need USDT, but I don't want to convert it. And I found one platform that does this well, been using it for about 3 months now. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And yeah, at the end, I'll also talk about how not to get scammed, because that part is genuinely important right now. So, quick honest note before I open the interface. A lot of platforms nail one or two of things and quietly drop the ball on the rest. Here, that didn't happen. All right, so here's the platform. So first, I pick which crypto I'll use as collateral. And right away, the asset list here is exactly what it should be. And that means practically, I don't need to buy anything new or swap anything first. I just use what I already have. All right, then I add the amount of BTC. Yeah, that's fine. Next, I pick what I want to receive as the loan, taking USDT, which is basically just digital dollars. $1 equals 1 token, stable. Then I choose how long I need the loan for. And then I configure LTV, it's loan to value. Basically, what percentage of my collateral's worth am I borrowing? So say my collateral's worth $2,000. If I set LTV at 50%, I'm getting a $1,000 loan, easy math. But if my collateral drops in price and that ratio gets pushed past the allowed limit, the platform sells my collateral automatically to cover the loan. So the lower I set this number, the more room I have if the market dips. I always leave a buffer because crypto moves fast, and being a little conservative here literally protects everything else in the setup. Okay, then I hit proceed, and first thing I do here, before anything else, is copy this contract ID and save it somewhere safe. This is basically the unique code that gets me back into this specific loan, like a case number. And now it's on me to lock the crypto over as the collateral deposit. There's a wallet connect option that does this automatically, but I want to walk through every step manually so it's all visible. Okay, sent. Transaction is out on the network, just waiting on confirmation. All right, confirmed. And here's the contract summary: the amount, the rate, and how long it runs. Let me just scan through it quickly to make sure all the numbers match what I set. Yeah, looks exactly right. I press confirm, and then I enter the receiving address. Okay, it's done. Now I wait for the incoming transfer. Balance updated, platform did exactly what it said it would do. So this dashboard, this is actually where the work happens for the duration of the loan. This is where I'd come back using that contract ID. From here, I can see how the loan is doing, check on my collateral, and make decisions if the market starts moving in a direction I don't like. You do need to check in on this. So now I want to talk about the part that I think matters most practically. How do you know a platform is actually real? Because I've landed on fake ones, not once, a few times over the years. And what I want to make clear is that some of these were genuinely convincing, not just a bad website with a logo slapped on it. Some of them ran fine for weeks before the problem showed up. And that's the part that's hard to prepare for, because by the time you realize something's wrong, it's already happened. And the reason this keeps being a problem is that new stuff enters this space constantly. New platforms, new tokens, new terminology. Every few months, there's a wave of something. And inside that noise, it's easy for a fake service to look like just another new thing. Most people don't have time to do a deep investigation every time something crosses their feed. That window between first seeing something and fully understanding what it is, that's exactly where the damage happens. I've been caught in that window. So the reason I mention it specifically is because that actually means something to me. And that's what gave me enough confidence to sit down and make this video. That's it for today. Appreciate you watching.